A 1, 2. Oh, do you need that? I got it. No. You should. Yeah. You're good. A 1, 2. A 1, 2, 3, 4. I know gal mate has got a shade on sweet Georgia Brown. Two left feet, but oh so neat, that sweet Georgia Brown. And they all sigh and wanna die for sweet Georgia Brown. I'll tell you why. You know I don't lie much. It's been said she knocks them dead when she comes to town. It's a shame when she coos them down. Fellas, she can't get his fellas. She ain't meant Georgia named her, Georgia claimed her, sweet Georgia Brown. No girl made gotta say like that sweet Georgia Brown. Two left feet, but oh so sweet, that sweet Georgia Brown. They all sigh and wanna die. I'll tell you why. You know I don't lie much. Well, it's been said she knocked from dead, but she got to town. It's a shame how she just goes on down. Fellas, she can't get to his fella. She ain't meant Georgia named her, Georgia claimed her, sweet Georgia Brown. Georgia named her, Georgia claimed her, sweet Georgia Brown. Georgia named her, Georgia claimed her, sweet Booty Day. Talking sweet Georgia Brown.
È incredibile come la musica è universale. Il Marzio al basso non ha mai provato con lei, si sono trovati, lui è venuto stasera, ha finito di lavorare alle 8:15, è vero? Ha finito di lavorare alle 8:15, che è amico di Marco, è venuto qua alle 8:30, per cui questa canzone non l'avevano mai provato, e questo è proprio il senso della musica, che comunque non serve conoscere le lingue, cioè basta la sensazione della musica del cuore e effettivamente guardate quello che succede.
So should we try something?